In this next set of steps, what we're going to do is use a module called Custom Formatters in order to build a reusable rewriting of a field. So before, I'm going to go ahead and jump to our view that we had just built that displays about the author in the sidebar. I'll click Edit, and I'm going to scroll down and look at the preview. I'll type in 18 for one of our blog entries and scroll down. So we have Jones Jones here. So this last part where we built the learn more about Jones Jones at their website required several steps. We had to add a hidden field up here to be able to use in a rewriting of the personal site field. And then we had to use a couple of different replacement patterns inside of this field in order to get it to display properly. Now that's a lot of work. If we had to do that in several different locations on the site, it would make sense, if we could, to capture that configuration in one place and reuse it in those different locations. That also has the benefit of, if later on we find out there's a mistake, we can fix it in one place and it will cascade to all of the places where it's being used. Now, without the help of the Custom Formatters module, we'd have to do all that in code and add a formatter through a custom module. But Custom Formatters allows us to do it through some configuration. So let's first install that module, and we are going to come up against a limitation that will require us to install a different module called Entity Tokens, but we'll work up to that point using just Custom Formatters. Here's the information that you need in order to install Custom Formatters. I'm going to go ahead and use Drush. First of all, I want to navigate to the project page. I'm going to search for Drupal Custom Formatters in Google, and we'll go to the first entry here so we can get the project name. So we're going to drupal.org/project/custom_formatters. So if you're using Drush, this is what we're going to use. We'll copy that over, and I'll head over to my command line, and I'll do drush dl for download custom formatters, and then we'll type drush en custom formatters to enable it. And why? And now we should have it. So let's go back to our modules listings page and do a quick search for custom formatters. And you see custom formatters is here and it's enabled, so we're good to go.